I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare strip versus ribeye steaks. We'll explore the distinct characteristics of each popular cut, helping you understand their unique flavors and textures. By the end, you'll be better equipped to choose the perfect steak for your next meal, whether you prefer a leaner, firmer bite or a rich, buttery experience. Let's dive into the world of premium beef and discover what makes these two cuts so beloved by steak enthusiasts everywhere. The New York strip, often cut to about 1.5 inches thick, is celebrated for its robust, beefy flavor and satisfyingly firm texture. It typically features a distinct fat cap along one side, which renders beautifully during cooking, adding depth without excessive marbling throughout the muscle. This cut offers a great balance for those who appreciate a substantial, less fatty bite, making it a fantastic choice for grilling or pan-searing to a perfect medium rare. Moving to the ribeye, this cut is renowned for its generous marbling, which are those beautiful streaks of fat woven throughout the muscle. This internal fat melts during cooking, infusing the steak with incredible juiciness and a rich, buttery flavor that is truly unparalleled. The ribeye's tenderness, often cut to a thickness of 1 to 2 inches, makes it a favorite for those seeking a melt-in-your-mouth experience, ideal for high-heat methods like searing or reverse searing. So, which is better? It truly depends on your preference. If you favor a leaner, firmer steak with a bold, beefy taste and a distinct fat cap, the strip is likely your champion. However, if you crave a supremely tender, juicy, and buttery experience thanks to abundant marbling, the ribeye will not disappoint. We encourage you to try both cuts, perhaps a 1-pound portion of each, to discover your personal favorite and elevate your steak game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.